In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track expenses in Notion, a simple Notion tutorial for beginners. Notion is a versatile tool that can be customized to meet a variety of needs, and tracking expenses is one of them. Whether you're managing personal finances or keeping an eye on work-related expenditures, having a centralized and easily accessible place to track your spending can make a world of difference. Let's get started. The first step in this process is to create a dedicated database in Notion, which we'll call Expenses. This will serve as the foundation for our expense tracking system. To create this database, you'll need to create a new page in Notion and select the database option. You can choose from a variety of templates or start from scratch. For this tutorial, starting from a blank slate will help us build exactly what we need without any unnecessary elements. Once your database is set up, it's time to add some properties to it. These properties are fields where you'll enter data. For effective expense tracking, the essential properties to include are date, amount, and category. The date property will allow you to track when each expense occurred. This is useful for understanding your spending habits over time. The amount property, of course, will record how much money was spent. Finally, the category property lets you classify each expense under a specific label, like groceries, travel, or utilities, making it easier to analyze spending patterns in different areas of your life. Now, to make the most out of this setup, you'll want to use filters for a monthly view of your expenses. This is a powerful feature in Notion that lets you hone in on specific data. By setting a filter for the current month, you can see only those expenses incurred within that time period. This gets you a clear picture of how much you're spending month by month and can help you plan better for future budgets. To do this, simply go to the Filter option in your database and set the date property to show entries that correspond to the month you are interested in reviewing. Finally, to track the totals of your expenses, you'll need to utilize formulas. Formulas in Notion can automatically calculate things for you, which is handy if you're not a fan of manual addition. By adding a simple formula to your database, you can automatically calculate the sum of all your expenses within the selected time frame. Formulas can be a bit tricky at first, but once you get the hang of them, they're a game changer for managing and understanding your expenses more effectively. And there you have it. A simple and effective way to track expenses using Notion, perfect for beginners. With your new expenses database set up, you're ready to start keeping a closer eye on where your money goes, helping you to make informed financial decisions with ease and confidence. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you stay organized in tracking your finances.